Orthogonal projection is image formed when the projected line from an object is perpendicular to the plane. For example, A, this is an orthogonal projection on vertical plane, where you can see as viewed from right side. This is the image form whereby all the lines projected to the plane are 90 degrees. Where from B, this is also an orthogonal projection on horizontal plane, whereby as viewed from top, the lines are projected 90 degrees to the plane. Where for C, this is not an orthogonal projection because the lines are projected is not 90 degrees. How do you draw an orthogonal projection? Let's do it step by step. First step, you need to identify the type of plane and the direction in which the object that should be projected. In this case, the viewing direction is from the side and the image should be projected on vertical plane here. So second step, need to draw normal lines from all vertices of the object to the plane and make sure all the normal lines are straight and upright so that the length of the projected sides and the length of sides of the object are the same. So from all the points, need to draw it. And third step, need to connect the points of intersection to draw the shape of the orthogonal projection. And two types of lines is used. Solid lines is for lines that can be seen, and dashed lines are for lines that are hidden. So we need to connect using solid lines here. And for this, you need to connect using dashed line because as viewed from this direction, GH is hidden. And the last step, we draw the orthogonal projection with actual measurement. Remember to label all vertices and side lengths. The order of letters should follow the viewing direction. So as viewed from this direction, you should view here, so you should write D, after that C, and A, then B. So you should not do it in reverse. And label the side length. That's it, an orthogonal projection is complete.